right, here we go again, back at it. It's getting a late start this morning, so got these finished up. Welcome back, everybody. What we're about to do is put the spark plugs in and the spark plug boots, and then we're going to try to snake the headers up through here, get the headers put on. Motor looks a little bit different, some different wiring going on. Get a little bit closer, plugging away. Not exactly sure what's going on with this guy. All right, so we got the header kind of snaked up through from the bottom. We're going to go ahead and put the plugs in. These are factory AC Delco plugs. Got these spark plugs. These are, I think, 2,000-degree boots. These come from Top Street Performance. Does that very back plug wire go through that header or on the back side of the header?
Back side of the header, I believe. Yeah.
It's fine, just where it's at.
It'll find its way right there. There, we're getting on there. Look at there.
Okay.
All right.
Looks like it needs to slide back towards the back of the truck. Just a hair.
Okay.
There it goes.
They go or what?
Yeah, it went.
Okay.
All right, tight.
Okay.
Let's see. Do you want to go ahead and do this, or is it going?
Yeah, we're ready.
Okay, so that one's out. Let me get this busy spot in here. Spin it around. Bring it up. Plug it in.
I just come along.
So they send these with the plug wires. If anybody out there can tell me how in the world I'm supposed to use these wire separators, right?
Yeah.
On these single wires that go from the plug to the coil, let me know. Seems like they're just wasting their money.
Yes, sir. That's good. Get that away from that header. Yeah, like that. Yeah, we're not touching nothing.
All right, so now we're just gonna repeat from the other side. All right, so we got the headers on, got the spark plugs in, got all the wires hooked up to the coil. And I mean, these are great. These are Speed Engineering is what we ended up ordering. And they have a bunch of different, you can get universals, I guess, on there or whatever, but I actually ordered these. It was fit a C10, I think it was 64 through something, but this truck is a 65, and I mean, they fit. It looks close, really, on the camera, but it's not. They fit perfect. They hug the block nice. There's plenty of room in the frame rail. I mean, they fit so good. Very, very nice. Very happy with that. They were $378. Pro tip, if you want bolts, the kind we just put in, you have to order the upgraded gaskets. For $375, they come with the gaskets we put on, but they do not come with the stainless steel bolts we put on. So they don't come with bolts unless you order the upgraded gaskets, which is, I think it's another $14.99. So that's just a tip there, because we weren't too happy when we spent $378 on a set of headers and came in and there was no bolts to attach them. So we had to source some, but it is what it is. So we're waiting on parts. We're waiting on the correct spacers for this setup here. And what the spacer does is allows you to install a cathedral port LS3 style intake to an LT. We've got the correct ones over here. We pulled the intake back off, but there's actually two spacers. There's two sets of spacers there, and that's kind of what we need over here. We're just waiting on the correct spacers and the correct length bolts to make this all happen. But hopefully, maybe in the next video, we'll be able to get this one put together. I mean, it's gonna look pretty cool.